Raptors and the Tacomas, they get all the glory here on these off-road shows. But I like these Chevy Silverados for some reason. They're real boxy. I like that. Look at this.
Then he realized that he was
Dirt King. Look at his limiter straps there. He literally has no bumper except for this little tiny bar right here on the frame. That's cool. I like it. I like the squared look of these things for some reason. I don't know why. It's got a wide body kit on there. Bead locks. I don't know what it is. I just really like these Chevys for some reason. Here's another Chevy truck. Look at that. He's got crazy suspension. I like that.
Dual spring.
King off-road shocks. Look at those headers, man. That's like a work of art. Oh, that's cool. Digital, all
it's like
digital.
The world's fastest sculpture.
Here's another cool Chevy Silverado, probably a 2014, 2015 model, I think. Look at that, that is nice. Gotta give some love to these Chevy guys, since everyone else is getting all the attention. Gotta show the stuff that doesn't get a lot of attention. That's cool. Check this one out. I think this is a 2014, maybe 2015, one of those years. But look at this thing, man. It's got like the scissor axles in the front. Wow. Got some serious suspension work going on in here. King off-road. Reservoir shocks. Race line bead locks. Toyo Open Countries. Wide body kit. Check out these desert lights. Baja designs. I kind of like those. I don't know why. I kind of like those old school lights better than the thin little LEDs. And look at that long, super long trailing arm. Woo. Long travel in the front. Long travel in the back. A wide body. Here's your fuel cell. Radiator. 2 full-size spares. Racing jack. Oh my god. That is a nice axle. This guy put some serious money into this thing. Look at the exhaust coming out the side right there. This thing's probably $100,000. That is cool. Like I said, these Chevys don't get a lot of love at these shows. Usually it's dominated by Toyota and the Raptors. That's nice.